From here onwards, we are going to discuss some bones in detail. Now in this segment, we'll discuss about the skull. Now, skull bone is made up of 8 cranial bones, 14 facial bones, single hyoid bone and 6 ear ossicles. Now let's see them one by one. Now first, let's see about the cranium bone. Cranial bones are 8 in number. Single frontal bone, which is present at the front of the skull. Pair of parietal bone, see these are parietal bones. Single occipital bone and pair of temporal bones. This is one temporal bone and another is lying on the other side. Total 8 cranial bones are there. First of all, let's see about the cranial bones. Cranium is a part where our brain is placed. Now these cranial bones are single frontal bone, pair of parietal bones, pair of temporal bones and a single occipital bone. Then at the base of the skull, the bone which we can observe through the orbits. These are the orbits where eyeballs are placed. If we observe through the orbit, we can see a single sphenoid bone. These are 7 and 8th one is ethmoid bone and a single ethmoid bone which is present laterally or which is forming the side of these orbits. These are cranial bones. Now these bones are fused together with the help of sutures. You can see these zigzag lines. These zigzag lines are nothing but the sutures. Now sutures are nothing but immovable joints. There are 4 sutures. First is coronal suture, which is present in between frontal and 2 parietal bones. Another is this one is interparietal suture, which is present in between 2 parietal bones. From behind we can see this suture. This is lambdoidal suture, which is present in between occipital bone and 2 parietal bones. And laterally there is this lateral suture, which is present in between temporal bone, frontal bone and parietal bone. Now these are cranial bones and their sutures. Being zigzag in nature, these sutures will distribute the force or pressure equally along the skull bones because of impact or any collision. After the skull bones, there are facial bones. Now there are 14 facial bones, out of which there are two lacrimal bones which are present at the medial border of the orbit. Then there are 2 nasal bones. Below these 2 nasal bone, there is a single vomer bone and inner to it, there are 2 nasal conchae. Now these conchae are nothing but thin bones, 2 thin bones which are curled inward, which increases the surface area for warming and humidification of air while going to the lungs. Now from inner side there are 2 palatine bones which form the roof of the buccal cavity, and these 2 palatine bones along with this nasal conchae form the bony or hard palate. That palate is present in the buccal cavity. Posterior part of this palate is cartilaginous. Now afterward there are in facial bones there are 2 zygomatic bones or cheek bones. This cheek portion is not, these are known as what? Zygomatic bones. 2 maxillae, that is upper jaw, and single movable mandible. This is the only movable joint in our facial bones. These are 14 facial bones. Now at the root of the tongue there is a single C-shaped smaller bone which is present, which gives attachment to the tongue muscle. And afterwards, there are 3 bony ossicles which are present inner to this temporal bone. 3 bony ossicles are malleus, incus and stapes. 3 bony ossicles here and 3 bony ossicles of the another ear. Together, they are 29 in numbers. So this is all about the the skull bones. Again, in skull bones, there are 8 cranial bones which are joined together with the help of sutures. Then 14 facial bones, single hyoid bone which gives attachment to the muscle. Then 3 ear ossicles each. That is all about the skull bone.